For entrepreneurs venturing into the custom product and print-on-demand market, selecting the right platform to showcase and grow your business is a critical decision. In this video, we compare Printify versus Etsy, two prominent platforms that cater to different aspects of the print-on-demand business model. We aim to explore their features, benefits, associated costs, and other important elements to help you decide which platform aligns best with your business goals. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Printify, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support my channel. With that in mind, let's get started. First, let's try to understand the two platforms. Printify is a print-on-demand service that helps anyone start an e-commerce business without needing to keep inventory. It allows you to create and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and bags. When a customer buys a product, Printify prints it and ships it directly to them, so you don't have to worry about storage or shipping. You can connect Printify to many popular online stores and marketplaces, including Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon. It's free to start using Printify, and you can sell products through up to 5 different stores under the free plan. The main difference between Printify and Etsy is that Printify is primarily a service provider for sellers to create and ship products, not a marketplace. On the other hand, Etsy is an online marketplace where people can buy and sell unique, often handmade or vintage items. It's known for its community of creatives who sell everything from homemade jewelry and clothing to art and home decor. Sellers on Etsy set up their own shops and are responsible for managing their inventory and shipping their products to customers. Etsy is especially popular among buyers looking for one-of-a-kind items that have a personal touch. There is a small fee to list items on Etsy, and the platform also takes a percentage of each sale. The main difference between Etsy and Printify is that Etsy is a marketplace where customers browse and buy products, while Printify provides services to help sellers create and ship custom products. Now let's dive deep into comparing these two different aspects. Integration and ease of use. Printify is known for its impressive capability to integrate with a wide range of content management systems and online marketplaces. This includes popular platforms like Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, WooCommerce, and more, extending even to online marketplaces such as Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and TikTok Shop. This wide array of integration options makes Printify highly accessible and easy for entrepreneurs to reach a broad audience. Setting up your store on Printify is straightforward, involving a simple process that connects Printify to your existing online store or marketplace with just a few clicks. On the other hand, Etsy functions primarily as a standalone marketplace that connects sellers with buyers looking for unique, often handcrafted items. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing sellers to quickly set up a shop and start reaching its vast community to buyers. However, Etsy's integration capabilities are not as extensive as those of Printify, focusing more on providing a dedicated platform for unique and handmade products. Product range and customization. Printify clearly excels in the variety of products it offers, with over 850 products in its catalog. This vast selection includes everything from apparel and accessories to home goods and stationery, all customizable according to the seller's preferences. This extensive product range is nearly 4 times larger than that of its closest competitors, which provides entrepreneurs with more opportunities to diversify their offerings and potentially increase their profit margins. Etsy's focus is on unique handcrafted or vintage items, while it doesn't support a broad POD product base like Printify. Etsy is the ideal platform for entrepreneurs whose products involve significant artistic craftsmanship. This includes items like jewelry, bespoke gifts, and other handmade goods. Production and fulfillment. Printify operates on a print-on-demand model, which means that products are only created when a customer places an order. This method greatly reduces the risks and costs associated with inventory management. Printify also offers a choice of providers for each product, allowing you to influence aspects such as cost, quality, and shipping time according to your business needs. Etsy sellers typically manage their own production and fulfillment, although they can opt to integrate with Printify for POD products. This gives Etsy sellers a greater control over their products and branding, but requires more hands-on management of inventory and shipping process. Pricing and costs. Printify offers an attractive pricing model with its free plan, which supports up to 5 stores and includes unlimited product designs. This plan is particularly beneficial for startups and small businesses looking to enter the market without significant upfront investments. For businesses that require more extensive features, Printify's premium plan costs $24.99 per month and allows up to 10 stores, which includes additional support options. Etsy has a different approach to pricing, charging a listing fee of $0.20 per item, in addition to transaction and payment processing fees. This model can be cost-effective for sellers with higher priced items, but may add up for those dealing in lower cost or high volume products. Market reach. Printify leverages its integration with major e-commerce platforms to help sellers reach a global audience effectively. Its partnerships with platforms like Shopify and Etsy allow entrepreneurs to access established customer bases quickly. Etsy, with its dedicated community, had over 81 million active buyers in 2020, providing a vast audience primarily interested in unique and handmade products. This niche market is especially valuable for sellers whose products cater to the demand for personalization and uniqueness. Customer support and seller resources. Both platforms offer robust support systems designed to assist sellers at every step. Printify provides 24/7 customer support via live chat and a contact form, making it easy for sellers to get help whenever they need it. Etsy offers a range of powerful tools, support, and education to help creative entrepreneurs start, manage, and scale their businesses. It also has community forums that act as a valuable resource for both new and experienced sellers. Connecting Printify and Etsy. Printify can be seamlessly integrated with your Etsy store. Yes, you heard it right. This integration allows you to combine the ease of print-on-demand services with Etsy's vast marketplace. To start, you simply need to create a Printify account and then link it to your existing Etsy shop. This connection enables you to design and list your custom products on Etsy without handling the physical production or shipping. Once a customer purchases a Printify product from your Etsy store, Printify automatically handles the printing and the shipping directly to the customer. This helps Etsy sellers expand their product offerings without the need for additional storage or initial investment in inventory. Overall, connecting Printify with your Etsy shop provides a streamlined way to grow your business by offering a wider range of products to a global audience. Making the right choice. Choosing between Printify and Etsy largely depends on the type of products you plan to sell and your specific business goals. If your priority is to have a wide selection of customizable products and reach a broad audience with minimal upfront costs, Printify is an excellent choice. If, however, your focus is on creating unique, handcrafted items and tapping into a community that highly values artisanal products, Etsy may be the better option for you. In conclusion, both Printify and Etsy offer great opportunities for entrepreneurs to sell unique and custom products online. Etsy is a fantastic marketplace for selling handmade and vintage items directly to a large audience that appreciates creativity. However, Printify allows you to expand your product offering without need to worry about production and shipping. It automates the process and integrates with many platforms including Etsy, making it incredibly versatile. For those looking to scale their business efficiently while still tapping into major marketplaces, Printify is the clear choice to streamline operations and enhance your product range. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Printify, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.